Here's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE. From its hand-finished wood trim inside to its athletic stance outside, this GLE exudes class. It doesn't just seat 5, it gives them hand-fitted upholstery. Or pop the power liftgate, fold down the 60/40 split rear seat, and there's over 80 cubic feet of cargo space. Whatever you're carrying, safety features like attention assist, crosswind assist, and trailer stability assist make sure you get there in one piece. And dynamic select, agility control suspension, and the 7G automatic transmission with shift paddles make sure you enjoy the drive. Step into your future. Test drive this GLE today. It's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This is the pinnacle of premium sport utility vehicles. The cabin has hand-finished wood trim and hand-fitted upholstery, a vivid multifunction display for driver information, and an 8-inch high-resolution color touchscreen for the infotainment system. Turn your smartphone into a remote control for your GLE with Embrace. It's just one of many user-friendly technologies you'll find. Access over 80 cubic feet of cargo space with the power liftgate, and access the sky with the power sunroof. Attention assist, crosswind assist, and trailer stability assist add safety, while dynamic select, agility control suspension, and the 7G automatic transmission with shift paddles add fun. Test drive this GLE today. You deserve it.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.